Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving into how to create a project template in Monday.com. The first step is to set up your board. This is where you'll organize all your tasks and team assignments for the project. The reason we start with this is because your board is the foundation of your entire project. It's where everything happens. Now that we've done that, we move to the next step, customizing your board with columns. You can add columns for task status, due date, team members, and more. This helps us because it allows you to tailor your board to the specific needs of your project. It's all about making the board work for you and your team. Next up, we'll add automations. These are rules you set up that make your board do things automatically. For example, you can set up a rule that automatically assigns a task to a team member when it's created. This helps us because it takes some of the manual work out of managing a project and keeps things running smoothly. The final step in creating your project template is to save your board as a template. To do this, go to the Board menu, click on More Actions, and then select Save as a Template. The reason we do this is so you can easily use this customized board for future projects. It saves you time and ensures consistency across your projects. Let me explain why this matters. By creating a project template, you simplify your work process. Instead of starting from scratch each time, you can use your template as a starting point. It's all about working smarter, not harder. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a project template in Monday.com. So go ahead and give it a try. Make your project management more efficient and see the difference it makes. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.